This is my city, baby. Look at this. It's beautiful out here. Love it. Denver, Colorado, represent. 303 blizzard conditions. Is that the one and only? The one and only? What's up, buddy? How you doing, bro?
Back on.
Another day in paradise, huh?
Yep.
You gotta love it. Where's your bike, baby? I can dig it. I can dig it. Woo. Check out the snow plows. Yeah, that's about it. Snowing like a mug. Check out Colfax on Wadsworth. Let's see how the people are moving. Any slipping and sliding. This is my city. Buses are moving good. All right, I'll talk to y'all later.